Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great so far. Let's give it a few seconds for everyone to tune in. I think everyone can see me and hear me really well. As usual, with our risk warning, just to make sure everyone understands that this content doesn't involve any personal advice or any kind of investment recommendation. Let's make sure everyone from the different platforms are fine. Yep. So, uh, guys from Trading Live, are you there? Yep. Good morning, Nick. How are you doing? Good morning, Maria Julia. Thank you guys for joining us, and of course, everyone else. Guys, bear with me. I'm just checking in all platforms that we are streaming today to make sure everything works as planned. All right. So let's get started. Dollar index, the leading indicator, you see where I point on the right hand side. Dollar index, the leading indicator for the performance of the majors. Yesterday we had a new lower high and a lower low. This morning also it made a lower high and a lower low, and we are somewhere around this area approaching this support. So we do expect it afterwards to experience some bounce. And he said no video yet. Still not opening. Why is that? Good day to all, guys. Sorry from Trading Live why you can't see the video. It shows that we are live, so guys, do you have the can you see my screen from Trading Live, the Trading Live viewers? Oh, you can't see the screen. Why? Okay. you see the screen? Oh, why you can't see the screen? What about you guys from TradingView platform? Yeah, on TradingView everything looks fine. Okay, it's only from Trading Live. No screen. Why you don't see the screen? Everybody else can see the screen in other platforms. Mm. Unfortunately, I can't help on that. Uh, guys, guys from Trading Live, just for today, if you kindly uh, join the YouTube channel, that will be great. So I can do the live, and that will be okay with you guys. Sorry for that. Just bear with me. I will send you the YouTube link. So is guys, this is the for those who are watching us from Trading Live. Please, this is the YouTube link. Use that one to join only for today, because unfortunately I can't work it out. I need to contact the Restream customer support, and it's not something I can do it right now. Sorry for the inconvenience. So just for today, join from the YouTube. So let's get started. The dollar index create lower highs and lower lows, and therefore we expected to see some continuation to the downside. So we do expect the Australian dollar, the euro, the pound, the Kiwi, and the rest to push upwards. Now, if you can focus on the right screen for now, you can see that, or let's just bring only the right screen. You can see these were some intraday support and resistance. You can see that the price early this morning tried to move higher than yesterday, and it found some resistance somewhere there. The RSI on the hourly chart is printing negative divergences. Therefore, it looks like we will see some sort of retracement. If the price won't bounce to the upside after it won't bounce upwards after it touched the 20-period moving average of the Bollinger Band, then we might see more push to the downside. Okay, next one, it's the euro. That was from some analysis in the morning. Just bear with me to delete these lines. So on the hourly chart, the euro is trying to find some support at this area here, and after that we expect the price to continue moving to the upside. Okay, there is fairly room for the price to move to the upside um, if this will hold with support. Next one, it's the pound against the US dollar. Pound against the US dollar. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. You can see that it approached an area of resistance. We do expect the price to tap into this area. The hourly time frame, it shows that price made higher highs and higher lows, and that's bullish. Guys, those who are watching us on Trading Live, apologies. Today it's something wrong with the live there. I use the Restream software and it looks like it doesn't send the signal to Trading Live. I don't know why the stream doesn't really work. So can you please for today just join us on the YouTube channel? Just click the link I sent you. So next one, it's the New Zealand against the US dollar, and on the daily chart, price finally reached at this area of resistance. We expect it to uh, guys, just copy and paste the link, the YouTube on the YouTube channel, and you're gonna join the live webinar. Okay, from tomorrow everything will be fine. You can join now. You can join if you want to. If you want, just copy and paste the YouTube link. So the QE, if it's gonna close today above resistance, we might see some continuation. There is fairly room for the price to move higher. So let's see what's gonna happen on the hourly time frame. Here maybe it's going to be a good setup for this morning. Here it's make already a higher high. So this is a very simple trend, guys. Price makes higher highs and higher lows all the way in this time frame, and then it starts making lower highs and lower lows. We have a resistance here already drawn from a few days ago, and the price stopped. It looks like it wants to print a bullish candle here. If it's going to close on the hourly chart as a bullish, it might be a good tradable opportunity based on trend analysis. So we can look for some long positions, and at least for the London session. Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen, and again, this is a bit of a bit of confusion among traders. They think that because there is a bullishness in the market and there is an uptrend, it's going to go forever. And that's the reason they always tend to go against the trend and rather than with the trend. It's because they think that the opportunity, when the price it's in an uptrend and then the price makes a correction, they think the opportunity was here at this point there, which the opportunity, it arises at an area of support actually. So anyway, that was a good lesson for today at least. Next one, USD Canadian dollar. What's going on with the USD CAD on a daily chart? Due to the US dollar weakness, we expected to see some drop, but remember I explained you that the Canadian dollar, it's fairly strong, it's fairly weak, and if both of them they get weak, and then we don't know which one it's gonna run first. Okay. USD CHF, of course, US dollar it's weak. CHF it has some strength, so we see continuation at this point here on the lower time frames. If price is going to break, now it tapped at this support, bullish divergence. If price it will create a higher highs, a series of higher highs and higher lows, and comes at this area of resistance, we might see some different reaction. But if price it won't get anywhere above the 20 period moving average of the Bollinger Band and it's going to move to the downside, then we might see what we call a descending triangle pattern, and it's more bearish rather than bullish. Okay. USD JPY, it's bearish, all the way bearish. Price touched at this support, and that was another target, so we need to delete that one as resistance. This one, it's not valid anymore. The upward channel, it's not valid anymore, but on the, so we have to delete it. So this support here had been touched. If price it's going to move lower, the next support it's this one here, and that's the S3 support. So fairly bearish on this one unless something change on the intraday basis. As you see that the RSI it's oversold at the support. If prices will print a bearish, a bullish reversal price action here, we might get involved to the upside, who knows. Same with the pound. Actually all the yen crosses, they are very bearish. Finally the correction appear on these currency pairs. So today I will be more bearish rather than bullish on the JPY pairs. CAD yen extremely. I was looking to trade it yesterday on the hourly chart, but I didn't find a good entry. So let's see today. I expect the Canadian dollar to get more weakened today due to the CPI numbers are about to come out during the New York session. So let's see what's going to happen here. Euro Australian dollar daily chart price is hovering around the middle of the Bollinger Band. That's the 20 period moving average. Euro CAD, it's still on the rally, higher highs and higher lows all the way. Good trending market, I can say. So let's see if we're going to get some more bullishness today on this one. Euro Kiwi daily chart, it's just moving sideways here. Pound DOS, again sideways as well. Pound CAD on the rally, there is a resistance that is about to be touch now. Let's check the 15-minute chart. So 15-minute chart, what does it shows us here? Price makes higher highs. Let's check the RSI from this point. It makes lower highs. So we have negative divergence. So let's let the price to rest at some area of support. Here is an intraday support. If price will touch here and bounce upwards, then we might see some good, we're going to get some good signals to maybe trade them. Pound New Zealand, same with the Euro New Zealand, just sideways. Let's see if the pair will break below this support, this swing support. Australian dollar, Kiwi, both of them, they have some strength, the Aussie and the Kiwi, but the Kiwi looks like to be stronger, so it pushes the Australian dollar to the downside. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and New Zealand Canadian dollar, of course, they are extremely bullish. Canadian dollar, it's very weak. So the next area of resistance is this one here. For the Kiwi, you can keep an eye on that. Honestly, it's one of the best pairs in my opinion. High probability pair for today. Let's check the 15-minute chart. Zoom out a little bit. Price makes higher highs. Indicator makes lower highs. So let's see if price is going to break above this one, above this swing. Okay, keep an eye on that. New Zealand CHF, I wouldn't go too much with this one today because both of them are strong. Australian dollar CHF, sideways as well. Cut CHF to the downside, of course, unless the CPI numbers will come up as positive and favor the Canadian dollar, then only then we might see some strong bullish bias. So German 40 price still makes higher highs and higher lows, although a reversal price pattern appear around resistance. That's the what we call the hanging man, and it's a strong bearish signal when it appears, price action when it appears as resistance. So what's going on with the 15-minute chart? It's a bit messy here, so we might need to let the market create a lower high and lower low. So if price breaks below this rectangle, we might see continuation to the downside. And the gold yesterday, to remember yesterday while we did the live, we commented about the gold that this one can be the beginning of the failure swing high, but we should have seen a continuation, and I said that look for a bearish close here. And yesterday the close were bearish. It was actually, it showed them that it rejected the sellers, and it stayed above the 20-period moving average, which this is bullish, and the price seems then pushed to the upside. That happened early this morning, actually, during the Australian and Asian session. And last one, WTI, price came right at the resistance and got rejected a little bit. So we might see sellers coming in if you want to trade it. There is a defined downtrend on the 15-minute charts with a lower highs and lower lows. So that can be a good one if you guys want to trade it. So I think that's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for your for watching this live. Unfortunately, we had these technical issues with the Restream software, but from now on we're going to be back to normal. I'm not going to use it again because it doesn't help us at all, and it just creates some frustration instead of helping us for this purpose. So I would like to wish to everyone to have a fantastic day ahead. Enjoy your trading, And I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much.